is untouchable. How do you expect him to cope? How do you expect him to cope? What do you expect him to cope? Calm down.
Leave me alone.
Just calm down.
Tell John to leave me. Tell John to leave me. Tell John to leave me. I love you. I love you, but I cannot consider the person. Leave me alone.
Untouchable.
Leave me alone. Let me go and face my life.
I'm begging. Even if you want me to kneel down, Precious, please, I'm begging you. I am begging you. I am begging. Please just calm down. Precious, calm down.
At this point, make una leave Precious alone. Make una leave Precious. Make Precious go. Precious had made up her mind to leave Untouchable. There is nothing anybody can do about it. They don't beg her. They don't ask her. They don't do everything for her to stay. At least let her calm down. But no, she wouldn't agree. She has made up her mind to leave. All of you should let her go. Untouchable has called her kid to talk to her, even kneel down, beg this girl. If only Precious knows say there is nothing in the street. No man will love you the way Untouchable loves you, Precious. I'm telling you the honest fact. There is no man out there that will love you the way this guy is truly in love with you, and you're maltreating him like this. Is this how you treat someone you love, you claim to love? This guy is emotionally down, Precious. He didn't expect this whole drama from you. Even though you guys will go your separate ways, not like this, not by gra Precious. See as everybody just they beg you. This one they close gate, say Biko don't go, but you refused.
He knows Untouchable loves Precious. And
Precious she's not going anywhere. And she's not going anywhere.
Is this going to solve?
Not going anywhere.
What is this going to solve?
So what if this girl will leave here? What happens if anything happens to her? If this girl go there and bring sniper, who are they going to hold?
She's not trouble
when God
in the house
has
here.
told me that this is not for you.
She's not trouble here.
How do you want Untouchable to feel? Precious, how do you want Untouchable to feel? If you leave this house, how do you want Untouchable to feel? How do you want it to feel? Look at those guys. Look at
You only care about Untouchable. How about my own feelings?
I care about you. I care about you. Calm down. I care about you too.
Balance your judgment. Look at Untouchable. Look at her. For the past how many weeks now?
Untouchable is also facing the challenge. Untouchable is the AS. She's also AS. They can figure this out now. Calm down. Precious, I mean, you're not going anywhere. You're not going. As far as I'm here, you're not going anywhere. You're not going. It's not time for you to leave. You guys can settle this. They can settle. There is God. There is God. I will advise you guys to go to the throne of God.
If it was your sister, would you advise your sister to? Would you advise your sister this?
I will advise her. I will. Because there is God. I believe in God. God can still do something. God can still do something.
Your family don't like you. You be AS. Their son be AS. If na your sister, you can advise them.
God can still do something. God can still do something.
You care about Untouchable. Nobody cares about my own feelings.
I'm not fulfilling anybody here, but
nobody cares about my own feelings. Come on,
Precious, why I sounded like this? See, I love you. I don't want you to go anywhere. Don't leave me. Don't leave Untouchable at this time. I don't expect you to talk this thing. I don't expect you to talk this thing. If this girl go out there, I'm calm down for what? See, Precious, please, we have talked here enough. See, you need to calm down. Precious, calm down. This thing, you can do this thing. Listen to me. You can settle this. You can settle this. Why do they do like this? Why do they do like this? But I God can still do something. I believe in God. There's something God can still do something. Precious, calm down. Calm down. It's good here. I know that you're going to have a lot of challenges here.
We also sit down and play.
People will still love you. That is the fact. So what if you go there and something happens? What will they do?
I don't love him. I don't love him.
If you love Untouchable, then stay now. Precious, calm down.
My future we are talking about.
I know. If you need Untouchable, how do you expect it to cope? How do you expect it to cope? What do you expect it to cope?
If at this point una no allow Precious go, I go know say all of una dey. I no wan mention name. But at this moment, una truly need to allow this girl go. Let her go. Let Precious move.